Oh god. We'll cut that out. Hi everyone, welcome back to lifeatpc.com. My name is Afiq and today I have my guest, Lokini. She's the writer for Business Today. For today's video, we are going to unbox the Lenovo Yoga Duet 7i. We just received this package, so right now I can't wait to open it up. Are you ready?
Yes,
Alright,
explore.
let's explore what's in the box. Oh, okay. So, what do we have?
Cutter.
Right. Okay, so this looks like an envelope, a big envelope though,
Yeah.
but inside it is the keyboard. Wow. It actually looks like the normal size kind of keyboard. So
Right.
it's not like
A mini version.
yeah. Okay, so this is the screen.
Ta-da!
Oh, there's two webcams. Wow, one at the back.
Wow.
Is that, seriously? Yeah, I did not know that. I did not know that. We'll try it out. Okay, we're gonna put the screen and the keyboard aside for a while. So let's see what else is in the box. So we have your warranty, your instruction manuals. Okay, very important to have. Is this a pen? So
You can write it. Wow.
you can draw. Okay, so creative people, graphic designers. This is for you, definitely. A battery. I'm not sure.
For the mouse?
Is
Do
there a
they have a
mouse?
mouse?
Hold on, let's see what else. Get your charger. That's
No.
basically it. So what's the battery for? Is it for the keyboard? Is it back? Can it fit?
I don't think so.
Or is it maybe it's for the pen? Okay. Wait.
Smart.
Not that smart. That says it did not register at Disney's battery.
Yoga Duet, but why Yoga Duet?
Because it's 2 sets. Yeah, so you can.
I mean, like, why yoga?
I think because it can fold it, so it's like you're doing, yeah, something like that. Alright, so I'm gonna put all these other items aside, so let's see. But let's try connecting them. How does it work?
This is so easy to carry.
I know,
Oh my
right?
God.
It's very light as well.
Ooh.
Ooh.
That was.
Oh yeah, so this is why it's duet. So you can hold it like this. Ah. Alright, but how do you make it stand though? Oh, okay, alright.
Nice. It's so slim and thin like me.
It's not so heavy, what do you think?
Yeah, it's actually not heavy compared to the ones that I have. It's actually heavy.
Because the one she has is like a gaming laptop, okay? So the Yoga Duet 7i is very lightweight at 1.16 kg and it's versatile enough to be used anywhere. So you can bring this to your favorite coffee shop, on the train to work, I guess, if you're running late and you have some last minute work to do, or you can just do your work at the park. I mean, who does work at the park? I don't know. Okay, so yeah.
At times you have to take lines.
As we was shown before, it has detachable Bluetooth. How do you even detach? I don't want to break it. Okay. So yeah, it has the detachable Bluetooth speakers pula. It has detachable Bluetooth keyboard. Yes. Oh god. I want to test later on if you can just put the screen here. Yeah, separately.
I
You
think
don't
it should be because it says it's detachable.
Detachable, yeah, and Bluetooth, yes. Okay, right, we'll try that out later on. Okay, that's good. Now, according to the website, the Yoga Duet 7i gives you advanced mobile performance, one that's intuitive and personalized, yet doesn't compromise on productivity.
And one more interesting fact about this Yoga Duet 7i is that it can last up to 10.8 hours on a single charge. It's because it is equipped with 10th gen Intel Core processors and AI features that adjust power to optimize battery life.
Ah, that's very interesting.
Yeah.
That's actually very long.
Yeah, it is.
That's very convenient, especially if you're like on the go, if you're outside, you know, when there's no charging port.
Yes.
Does it come with fast charging though?
Yes, it does because there's also a USB-C port for fast charging.
And there it is. This is it, guys. There's your. Why is it not focusing?
You have to
Focus.
do that thing, that YouTube thing, yeah.
The YouTube thing. It's still detecting your face. It loves you more. Okay, there it is. So it is said that the Yoga 7i can connect to the internet 3 times faster than standard Wi-Fi with Intel Wi-Fi 6. And thanks to the optional 4G long-term evolution and modern standby, you'll also be able to receive notification even when your laptop basically is in sleep mode. It apparently has like smart features like facial recognition, so you can just log in and it just with a smile. So you just like smile, it logs in, and then it logs out when you walk away. I think that's very convenient as well. Sometimes you don't want to kind of like turn your screen off or whatsoever.
True.
But I do wonder if it will just, you know, be on sleep mode whenever you just can't see your face.
Something to discover.
Something to discover later on. Okay, can't wait to test that out. And you'll also receive some notification if someone's looking over your shoulder. So if it only recognizes your face and then there's like someone appear behind you, it'll give you a notification. So sometimes you're like doing work, you're not realizing who's behind you, right? So it's good that it notifies you that hey, there's someone behind you.
Wow.
Yeah, okay. So those who want to spy on you can't get away with it. Yes, definitely. That's very good. Talk about privacy. Yes. So I guess that is it for the unboxing of the Lenovo Yoga Duet 7i. What do you think? What are your initial thoughts?
Initial thoughts, it's very sleek. I really like it from the looks of it. So I don't know what are the functions that will impress me later on. So
we'll give this a try. I'm very surprised of the keyboard actually. My initial thought, I thought it was going to be like very small.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not big of a fan of smaller keyboards, but I'm actually very glad that this is actually a very good size, and the typing feels very nice though.
It sounds good though.
Yeah, ASMR. Here. Here's your ASMR for you guys.
It comes with the cover like jeans like that.
Yeah, that's actually very nice. It feels good as well, especially when you fold the laptop, you know?
You don't have to have an extra cover. It's like...
But it's good to have an extra cover. Because some of us are very clumsy.
I'm not.
I am. I drop things a lot, okay? Oh god. Oh god. That is it. Thank you Lupini for joining me for today's video. If you guys want to find out more about the Lenovo Yoga Duet 7i, you can check on their website, or you can wait for our full review on lightheadpc.com coming later. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at lightheadpc.com on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And we will see you all in the next video.